Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Today we are going to learn a very important trick how to count the number of triangles in this type of shape. These type of questions usually come in competitive exams in the reasoning purpose where sometimes counting becomes difficult. In fact, this is very easy question, but still if you start doing it manually, somewhere problem will be there. So let us start from the basic, because if you can see there is very small triangle also, bigger triangle, then smaller triangle within a triangle. This kind of concept is there first of all. So I'm going to just show you. Let's suppose this is a triangle having one another triangle in between. Counting is easy now. We will learn it by analysis. See, I can clearly see this is one number, two number, three number, four number. Four triangles are clearly visible, and this is fifth one. That means what we will remember, if one triangle is there within another triangle, total number of triangles it makes is 5. Right? This concept is very important. Okay, I have learned that there are 5 triangles here. What I'll do further, let's suppose I'm creating, just for an example, let me make one more triangle for your concept clarity. Let's suppose this is the shape coming. Now how many triangles are there? We will say that 5 triangles were completed up to this, right? 5 triangles were already completed. But now forget about this complete. When I'm shading it, forget the inner one now. This is again the same situation which we have learned. In a bigger triangle, let's suppose this small triangle is there. We will again say that okay, in this case we had studied and it was 5 triangles. But now this time we are going to consider 4 only. Why 4? Because one triangle, yellow one, this is already counted when we were doing the counting for the middle figure. That means this diagram in total it is having 9 triangles. So do remember, middlemost pair of 2 triangles we will consider 5, and after that another triangle, when it is formed, 4 triangles will be added. So considering this concept in mind, let us move to this diagram. See, there are multiple ways of doing it. You might have some another way of doing it in your mind, but the way I have explained, let us start working with that. See, this is first pair, middlemost pair, right? Two triangles pair is there. It will have how many triangles? 5. Another big triangle is there now. See this one. I'm going to add 4 triangles now. Another big pair. See, next is there. That means again 4 triangles are added. Now one thing is different here. You can see this situation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 6 triangles are added additionally. So what we will do, we need to add 6 more triangles to it. Just do the total. How many triangles in total are there? 19 triangles are there in this diagram. This is one of the way of doing it, where we remember that trick that okay, middlemost is 5, 5 plus 4 plus 4, we will keep on adding. But those who have not done this trick, manually this can be done. Like 6 triangles are already written, but it will take time, it may create confusion, but still I want to clarify how 19 triangles it has. Up to 6 counting is written. This is 7 number, this is 8 number, this is 9 number, and this is 10th, 11, 12 and 13. See, 13 small triangles are visible directly, right? I'll keep it in mind. But we need to find, obviously I have told you total 19 triangles are there. See, one is this triangle, one, this is second triangle, and this is third triangle, because these 3 I had not counted yet. So I'm adding 3 to it. 13 plus 3, 16. Now which are other three triangles? Please have a look carefully. This is the one of the triangle. Let me change the color. Look at this. This is number 1. This is number 2. And this is number 3. These three were left to be counted if you do manually. See, answer is still 19. Same answer is there. But manually, sometimes these last which set which I am counting now, 3 counting, usually students forget it. That is why doing analysis with the small set and following that small analysis really helps. Like this question, as we did 5 plus 4 plus 4, it is actually helpful. I hope you are clear with the concept. Thank you so much for watching the video.